Hello friends, you are welcome on Virtual Lab. Today we are going to show you one more virtual experiment which name is electromagnetic induction, or you can call it electric induction also. So as you know, Lab on Laptop has been coming to you with different type of virtual softwares, and we will be coming up to you with same type of softwares. Let us go and see how you yourself can perform these experiments yourself. So let us see the experiments. See, this is our experiment of magnetic effect of electricity, that is induction, that is what we call induction. And as you know, the objective of this experiment is to see the property of magnetism through this given compass and electricity through this coil, which is given here with a power supply. A battery is joined here with this coil. So this is the objective, and for that we need a compass and a coil. The whole procedure is given here, how to perform this software. So you can read it and you can learn yourself how to perform this software. It's a very simple one. Let us start it. Suppose this switch is off and there is no electric current in this coil. Now I am going to drag this compass to coil. See, I am near the coil, but compass is steady on north pole. It is still showing north. See, it doesn't give any effect, it doesn't deflect, it is giving no deflection at all. So when the coil is not carrying any electric current, this is the situation and scenario. Now let us see what happens if I switch on and if I start current in this coil. What will happen? Let us see. I am switching on this coil current. See, now you can see the current, the coil is conducting current. Now coil is carrying the current. You can see the current here. Now let us see what happens with this compass if I drag it near to the coil. Now it is showing steady north. See, it is showing steady north. Now I am dragging it slowly near the coil. Observe it correctly, observe it, what happens here. See, now compass is giving the deflection. It is more than 90%. See, so this is the induction effect of electricity which makes this compass deflect. Now even if you switch off, the deflection will become zero, and again the compass will steady on north pole. Now I will switch it off. See, slowly it is going to stable on north pole, because there is no electricity in the coil and there is no induction effect on the compass. Just observe all these things, what is happening in induction. So friends, we hope you enjoyed this video. This is virtual experiment which we are making for science subjects. Virtual Lab channel will keep coming to you with such type of experiments. We hope you enjoy this video. For more information, you can contact us on labonlaptop@gmail.com. Thank you.